So, today's video is for those who want to work on their flexibility but find stretching on their own boring. And this is where partner stretches come handy, right? They help improve flexibility, reduce stress, and they're great fun. What you need for this is obviously a partner, can be a spouse, can be your kid, can be a friend or colleague. And with that being said, yeah, let's get started. We're gonna show 5 exercises. All you need to do is follow along, do what we're going to do. And so, yeah, have fun. So, for the first exercise, one partner actually kneels down like I do. It's gonna be a stretch for the quads here. And all I'm trying to do, so you need to actually just sit down here. Sorry, I should have said that. You need to sit down here. My goal is now to drop the lower body as deep as I can backwards. You can help mommy here, okay?
Sit down.
So basically the goal is I go down as far as I can. Now it begins to stretch here, almost to hurt. And this is where it gets a bit dangerous. And this is where a partner comes handy because they can help so they don't actually just fall and hurt myself. So it looks like that. I go down, down, down. Now I can help, assist. Okay, a bit lower, a bit lower, a bit lower, a bit yeah, just like here. And I'm gonna stay in this position, like 20 seconds. I even go try to get a little bit lower, not too much, not too much. Okay, here's good, that's good. Okay, a bit more, a bit further, a bit more. A little bit more, a little bit more. Okay, stop. Okay, and back up again.
Good job.
That's it. Then obviously you switch partner. Some people have better flexibility. They can actually go all the way back down. If you're like me, if you work out or have tight quads, yeah, like you don't even need a partner, right? Together, yeah. You don't even need a partner. It's perfect. Much better than me.
No, I know how to do all the way.
Okay.
All the way down.
Hey, look.
I see.
Because I'm still a kid.
You're a
That's why I
gymnast.
could go
Yeah.
do that.
Well done. Second exercise. One partner lays on the ground, back down. So maybe you can lay down, please.
Like this?
Okay. Yeah, all the way. Now,
Daddy, what's going on?
you can help me. You can help me. Legs straight, completely straight. Now, this is exercise for the hamstrings, right? Before we did quads and hamstrings. We're taking one side up. Now you want to do it. Up.
Awesome, because I
And then slowly.
trained
so
hamstrings. Yeah.
Straight. And then slowly up. Very important. The other leg is completely on the ground, right? Completely on the ground. And then just a little bit more straight. Careful. Then count to 15.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Good. Back down. And then the other. Okay.
Sorry.
On the ground. Leg on the ground. I'm gonna demonstrate it. It works better if you use your shoulder here. And then just slowly, Lada, slowly. On the ground. And then again, 15 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, gonna push a little bit. All good? Mm-hmm. Straight.
Great. What?
This one looks better than the other one.
Can you try the other one? Just so it's.
Not this way. Chubby doo. Wait.
On ground.
There's a mosquito.
Slowly. All right. The next stretch here,
Lara does with you.
the hip opener.
Which one is this?
Sit on the ground, open up your legs, right, like this. And then
No.
I'm gonna hold your hand. I'm gonna pull you. We need to show it first, then you can do it with mommy. All right? Okay, I'm gonna pull you. Straight legs, and then the other direction. And back. Come. And back. Come. Might works better when you're about the same height, I figure. Can I do one with mommy? Okay, mommy. You can be in the middle. Can I sit here? You want to do it with mommy?
Yes, bye.
Okay.
No, I first.
Okay, leg straight. Back.
Well,
Leg straight.
But when I go here, you go.
você quer só deitar.
This is not how it works. Let me show you again. Lara,
She stays in the middle, good.
you can stay there if you want. Okay. Front and other side.
Yes, good.
Other side. Go. All right. Where did you feel it?
Here.
Good. And you? What do you mean? Mommy's gonna do the next one. You can help as well. So, sit on the ground. Try to reach your feet with your hands, and then exactly that. What Laura is doing essentially. Just press down the back. Are you strong enough? Try again.
Yes, that's low.
Lara, press
Try.
steady, very hard. Yeah.
More. So legs are completely straight. Once again.
That's low. That's low.
Mommy, can you help her?
No, let's look at me first.
Okay, teach then.
Oh, you want to do it? All right.
Chupi chup. Dad, please. Stop, I don't need help.
Yeah, but now all the way down. Down. Good. Better than daddy.
Great. No, mommy.
Let's try with mommy.
Oh, this one.
All
This is
right.
gonna be tough because
Let's do it together.
I cannot reach my toes.
Let's do it together.
I'm to do it one
Try.
time to
I
get.
cannot reach
Try.
my toes. Ow! Wait! Ow, my hair! No!
Oh, careful. This is why I told you. Okay.
Don't do that. I cannot reach my toes, babe.
Try. Okay, what is a good example? What's a good example? Now, try. Try more.
Oh.
Try more. You're not very flexible. More. Try,
Wait.
just try. Keep in mind, to increase your flexibility, you need to, well, stretch. And this means it should be a bit uncomfortable. A bit more. Try to reach with 3 fingers and the 4 fingers. A bit more. See? Already better.
Ow.
Give her a break, then once again. The next one is going to be for the shoulder mobility. So, one partner sits on the ground, legs straight. Then the other partner, so I need you now, grabs both of the arms and just pulls it backwards and together. So together, more together. Yeah, and then the shoulders and the chest. More. Together.
I think it's
Together.
weird.
Together.
This hurts me.
Together. Press. Press slowly.
Babe.
Yeah, just like that. A little bit more.
It hurts me.
You need a strong person to do it then. Let's try it with you. Sit on the ground. All right, straight arms, straight arms, straight arms. Not together. Good. Perfect. Now go out again. We're going a bit lower, a bit higher. It's also pretty good. Getting higher. Oh, there's a bit worse. Does it hurt?
No.
Still not?
No?
All right. Here. No pain?
No.
All right, good. Yeah, shoulder mobility is definitely better than mine. Well done. Last one, also for shoulders. So, I'm gonna sit once again on the ground. Now, you're pulling your knees against my upper back here, whilst pressing my arms back. Oh, that hurts. Okay, slowly. Remember, arms are completely straight. I'm actually opening them up, my arms a little bit. If you can you push them together as well? So they're, yeah, a little bit more. Just out. Yeah, okay, good. Oof, I need to work on this one. That was actually it, and I don't know whether you can see it, but I'm literally sweating. Literally sweating because of just the stretches we did. Personally, I think I need to work way more on my shoulder mobility, shoulder flexibility, and then Gabriella here needs to work on hamstrings and also like lower back,
Yeah.
entire hip mobility. And Lara needs to work on her patience, right?
No.
You want to say something? All right. Hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Something to say? All right. See you in the next one.